Pavard! Oh, how about that? Glorious! Benjamin Pavard puts France. Ronaldinho takes, and David Seaman's call off his line, and Brazil take the lead. Ronaldinho has scored. David Seaman is.
And Quaresma goes again. Brilliant from Ricardo Quaresma on his return for Portugal. Simply sensational, and it might be enough to take them through. And in the last 2 or 3 minutes, he's still.
Quagliarella! Oh! Maybe! Just maybe! Fabio Quagliarella with a wonder goal! It's 3-2! And maybe it's not over yet! Here's Forlan. He's going to strike for goal! What a goal! Absolutely terrific! Who says this ball doesn't dip and bend? Diego Alvaro Pereira hit by James! Oh, what a goal! One of the greats! To have the ability and the audacity.
What a way to start for Brazil! What a hit from miles out! Coutinho!
Forlan, a crucial moment in the match for Uruguay! Goal, Forlan! Clinically struck. It's 1-1, and it's from the right move. Cherishev's not stopped. Denis Cheryshev! Oh my word! That is quite something! The boy's a star!
Di Maria! Oh, what a goal! What a strike! Argentina level! It's Angel Di.
The Netherlands in front, but Australia looking for a quick comeback. They've got it! Tim Cahill! Astonishing!
Lo marcan dos, pisa la pelota Maradona, arranca por la derecha el genio del fútbol mundial y es el tercero a tocar para Borruchaga siempre Maradona, genio,
Ronaldo. Oh, genius! Absolute genius! Would you believe it? And it's a hat-trick for Cristiano Ronaldo. Forlan is very much onside, checks into a shooting position. Forlan! With a cracking equaliser for Uruguay. The Dutch defence. It's a really good ball. It's Shabalala. Goal! Bafana! As it does now. Van Bronckhorst. Oh! That has got to be one of the great goals of the World Cup finals. And of all people, Giovanni Van Bronckhorst. Makes the space. Oh, he's scored a wonderful goal. Marvellous. Shaqiri's Rockets and the Swiss. Sorín la cambió para Maxi. Rodríguez.
Arco.
Rodríguez. Van Persie with an early run. He's onside this time. It's 1-1.
Now it's Luis, and it's sensational! 2-0 Brazil!
to be. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely brilliant. He is a star.
But Uruguay really should get booed because they're the ones who beat Ghana.
Forlan! Oh, tremendous! What a goal by Diego Forlan! Uruguay are ahead, and he moves on to 5 goals too.
But they might have number 7 here now. They have got 7. It's hammered in. An absolute terrific strike. The most extraordinary scoreline.
And chipped in. And volleyed in! And it's there by David Platt! England have done it!
Finds Beckham. Beckham now to Owen, and here's another Owen run. He's going to worry them again. It's a great run by Michael Owen, and he might finish it off. Oh, it's a wonderful goal! What an amazing moment in Michael Owen's young career. A fantastic run.
Bergkamp running onto the ball. Bergkamp, the chip score! Holland!
Absolutely brilliant from Dennis Bergkamp. What a marvellous finish.
Still full of running, and his Götze! It's Mario Götze! It's Super Mario! He might just have won the World Cup for Germany!
Sigue Saviola, qué libre cambiazo, Crespo, de lujo, qué golazo.
Breaks here for Joe Cole. Oh, brilliant! Just brilliant! He's having an inspired game.
Into Garcia. And then Rodriguez. Oh!
Rodriguez. Middle, Fabregas. It's slid through. Flag stays down. It's in. Iniesta scores. Surely the winning goal for Spain.